Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have in shop this 1995 Toyota CELICA for detail inspection and also the thermostat and the coolant replacement. And we don't see these vehicles much anymore, at least not in our area, so I wanted to show you really quickly around. This one is an automatic transmission, but I can tell you, as a part of inspection I did a short test drive and it's very peppy and zippy and it's absolute pleasure to drive it. Here you can see the tail, and I will say unfortunately this is the trunk model, not the hatchback. They were here in USA in both versions. So the hatchback, the trunk basically continued underneath the rear window, and you could lift that whole thing or lift back, and it was very practical. Obviously you could put some large objects into the vehicle and move them around if you need it, in comparison with the vehicle which we have today, which is trunk only. So you can see the opening of the trunk, it's limited. It's not so easy to put anything larger inside, like bicycle or whatever you are doing in your life. This one has a high miles. I believe it's one owner only. I can see some misalignment on this trunk here, but yeah, 196,000 miles I believe, right? It cannot look absolutely new unless it was babied and not used and garaged. I will say this must be some basic version because it has a hubcaps, but I really dig it and I wanted to show you around. Due to the sun, I think we should look on interior parts inside of the shop. It's amazing how this vehicle hold up. If you look at it after so many years and so much driving, the miles 195, that's what it says. It's incredible. The only stuff which gave up is this seat. These seats are incredibly supportive, as you can imagine. Absolutely fantastic. But look how these things were made. That armrest, all of it, just beautiful, and it's not worn by the human fingers. The sweat, the oils didn't destroy the steering, everything. It's really nice, despite the fact it's, as we said, some kind of base model. The dashboard doesn't have cracks and so on. I am really amazed, and it's good to drive a vehicle like that, which is relatively old, to see how the modern vehicles are different. For example, you start up this engine, it's running, you grab the steering wheel, and it's kind of like, oh, is it broken? No, actually it's not. We are spoiled. The modern steering, it's very light. This has obviously power steering, but it's way harder to turn it. But when you drive it only in those 5 minutes, you immediately realize for a sporty car that's actually super fantastic. It's still completely nice and easy, yet it kind of gives you that firm feeling. So I really appreciate that. Let's go look underneath the hood. And here we got it, those beautiful 4 lights again, the logo, and now underneath the hood. So I read here it's a 7A FE engine. As you can see, it's a 16 valve, and it always amazes me how everything is available for inspection services and so on. It will be so easy to work around on this. I will be pulling the plugs, the things which are not visible. I will be checking it. I will be checking the distributor inside. I already see immediately, look, why these spreaders are on these wires, spark plug wires. Well, they are there not to do this. The wires are touching each other. Here it's actually rubbing. Can you see that rub? Yep, it's so badly routed. I see immediately the problem with it. I will fix that, obviously. Even if it's not being replaced, I will fix that. But I want to show you power steering, apparently down there. Engine oil dipstick right here. How easy to get to. Transmission, it's not sealed transmission. Obviously, look at it. Right here, the dipstick. Alternator, the exhaust on the front. It amazes me how this plastic of this radiator lasted that entire time and didn't crack, and it was not replaced with aftermarket, because I can see these hoses. This is all OEM, the clamps. That was not changed. This is ancient radiator and it's still surviving. Unbelievable. Obviously the batteries, they need to be replaced. Can see the brake fluid is old and very low, so I will have to put it in the comments and maybe we will be dealing with that. So pretty interesting, isn't it? These are glass lenses and you can see the rock hit it and there is a hole in it, and that's why there is a moisture inside. The other ones were not damaged. They are perfect. They are not fading because it's made of glass. You don't need to do the headlight restoration and so on. So I wanted to show you around this vehicle. You don't see them very often, and share with you my own feelings about it. And obviously this whole tour can't be complete without looking underneath the vehicle. So you can see the rear suspension, very similar here, that long bolt like the Subarus had in the rear. There is a strut, nice huge arm. So obviously we are looking on the drum brakes on this vehicle. Nice exhaust system, the spare in trunk, full size I'm assuming, and let's follow. Nice original stuff. Look how good shape it is. If we forget about this, which is from the driving it around, look at that. This is absolutely incredible. Front wheel drive, so we have these CV axles. I believe that's a ABS ring on that outside. I will be checking the brakes. Nice transmission pan. There is a very slight amount of the oil, but it doesn't feel like it's actively leaking. Tie rod ends. Once again, the other CV axle, strut. Up there, the exhaust looks incredible. There's an original Toyota engine oil filter. Congratulations. I love that. Obviously, you remember the splash shields. Everything is here. So that is in really good shape. Even this is not rattling. I thought it's dislocated, but it's actually not. This might be out incorrectly, you see that? I can put that back a little bit later. Other than that, very, very original. I love it. I will say these vehicles are awesome. It's so zippy and light, and the steering feels great. The brakes brake nicely. And even, of course, everybody would like to have, or the sporting guys would like to have that stick shift. Even that automatic transmission shifts nice and precisely. I totally enjoy driving it. So Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.